Hi Anchal, good evening.
Henrietta, ma'am.
Nice to meet you.
This is Handloom Center, Bhagatram Retail on Commercial Street, and we've been here for the last 18 years. We deal in curtains, curtains, furnishing, upholstery, fabric, lot of ready-made curtains.
About your staffs.
This is our team: Simran, hello, Aziz, Rakib. Okay, come. My brother Mukesh.
Hello, Ji.
So explain about this.
These are ready-made door curtains, and you get the same in.
About these curtains.
These are ready-made curtains available in door and window size. We have different ranges starting from 250 up to 4,000 on, and you can get as many pieces as you want.
Ready-made curtains, and we customize as per size as well. Yeah, these are the fabrics, exclusive fabrics, which we can customize to the required size. A lot of varieties here.
What are the ranges of this?
These different fabrics are different priced at about 400, 500, 900 a meter.
Uh-huh.
So as per the size we charge, and we can also send people.
You can
for
get all
measurement.
these ready-mades, you
Ready-mades
can stitch
also
and give
stitch.
them,
We can,
right?
We can always at no extra cost send it to your place, get your measurements done, fix the curtains, or if
So
like
you do
something-
home delivery
home
also.
delivery. We even take curtains.
Tell me, all these are all ready-made ones
All
or these are
ready-made
stitched ones?
curtains, pre-stitched curtains available in two sizes, 7 feet and 5 feet, for a door and a window. And as per the width, you take multiple pieces. These are
Is there any
different ranges.
special discounts
Yes.
or
These are-
something like
yeah,
that
these
if
are-
they buy in bulk?
No, we don't give specific discounts, but all our products are always on discounts. So we give all at very reasonable prices.
So you say your shop is giving a very
very,
reasonable
very
price?
reasonable prices. Very reasonable prices.
Takeaway like
Yes.
takeaway prices.
Yeah, though we do not offer discounts individually, but everything is marked at very reasonable margin. And we have a lot of curtains upstairs also, which we customize, and we will send people for measurement. Get the,
Tell me something about this window curtains, door curtains,
these
and
are
all this.
the
250.
ready-made curtains.
Yeah.
Yes.
It
For
ranges from
300,
250.
300, 250. Like that, we have a lot of varieties, different ranges.
Do you have the curtain rods also?
No, we don't do curtain rods. No hardware products, but all curtains and upholstery, bed sheets.
What do you call your shop as specialized in?
We are specialized in ready-made curtains.
Ready-made curtains.
Ready-made curtains. If you see all around, there are only curtains, and more curtains. So we specialize.
Yeah,
in
it's a
ready-made
huge
curtains.
one. It's a huge one. I've been impressed. Thing about these curtains, 300. It looks very
These are
nice.
sheer curtains, transparent curtains, starting at 220 a piece. 220 a piece.
Oh, 220. Okay. 200.
Yes, for the window 200, door 220, and then these are for 300, and then 450. Different varieties.
Yeah, you have got a lot of range. I have been impressed. That's the reason I just
Anywhere
thought,
between
okay, it's an
3,000 rupees. We have ready-made curtains till 2,700. We have ready, and then we customize also.
okay. Even for the bedspreads and all
Bed
that you
sheets,
have.
yes, Bombay dyeing bed sheets and a lot of other brands also. These are all for 900, 1400, 1600, 2400, 1400. These are for 900, the plain ones. And as you go,
Yeah, 1400, 1200.
1800. These are all heavy embroidered on linen based fabric.
It looks nice, heavy and nice it is.
These are for 1800 each. 1400 for the window, 1800 for the.
Are you in
We
this
are
business?
here from last 18 years.
18
2004,
years.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Doing
Okay,
ready-made curtains.
okay, fine. You get the materials from where?
Lot of mills we buy from.
From the
That's why
mills.
we offer all very reasonable prices because
Okay.
we don't have many middlemen.
Okay.
It's directly from the
It's directly
factory
from the-
or rarely from the distributor. Majorly directly from factory.
Mm-hmm.
So we can always offer good prices.
So your prices are cheap, you say.
Very, very reasonable.
Very reasonable.
Very
Okay,
reasonable.
okay.
Good products
And
good
above the
prices.
quality because
All
Bombay
these are
dyeing is
guaranteed products.
okay.
They will never fade, never shrink. Most of these are polyester, cotton yarn mixed. So a fabric has only
In case if it is something goes wrong, you will repay
Yes,
them
yes,
or
yes,
you
yes.
replace them.
Yes, yes,
Yes, it's
touch wood. Till today, we've never had that. We never had to do that.
Mm-hmm.
But God forbid anything like that, we would always be there at customer service. Anything
Okay,
happen.
okay.
But polyester yarn, nothing will happen. Rest assured.
So nice of you, sir.
Thank
So
you, thank
have
you,
a
ma'am.
wonderful,
Yeah,
all the best,
ma'am,
all
you
the
being-
best. These curtains. These are all curtains.
Yes, these are also ready-made curtains.
Mm-hmm. Ranging from
850, all these 850, 930, 990.
mm-hmm. What's your name?
I'm Shahbaz, ma'am.
How many years you're working here?
From 10 years, ma'am.
10 years. Oh, very good. How about you?
Is a tailor, ma'am.
Taylor. Then you are the important person to come in the channel. What's your name?
Arju.
Okay, okay.
130 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
This is 990 rupees, and that is 1350 rupees.
Mm-hmm. Introduce about yourself. What's your name?
Praveen,
Praveen. You're here for how many years here?
15 years.
15 years. My God.
Our loyal team.
Loyal team. You have got a very loyal team.
We do also deal in carpets and rugs,
Uh-huh.
different sizes.
Tell me about that carpet. Something.
This is 5x7 carpet, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Obsession brand. And on MRP, you will get 40% discount on this. This
Okay.
is made from Turkey, ma'am.
Oh, Turkey. How about this?
These are all the same size
Mm-hmm.
and all different MRPs. On MRP, you will get 40% discount.
Okay. Do you all have bedspreads and this one?
Yes, ma'am. We have better.
The non-Bombay time. This is lay rib,
Mm-hmm.
double bed sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Double bed sheet with
What is the
15
range
towels.
of this? Range, see the price.
This is
1610.
Okay. Anything less than what is how much
Yes, this
does
is
it start
marked-
with?
No, it's marked at 1790. We are offering it at 1610.
Mm-hmm.
So we have different ranges.
Again,
That
these are all
suits every
carpets
budget.
again. Yeah.
Yes. Carpets.
What
again.
are these? This is again
These
the
are sheer
curtains.
curtains.
Okay. All right.
So we display the whole set so that it's easy.
You
for
give
the
an idea.
customer. Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Along with this, all this
Yes,
this ones
the
you'll
coordinates and the ties.
you will provide.
So
okay.
here you have the shears, the main curtains which is printed and plain. So
Okay.
you'll get an idea.
To get
how
an
does
idea
it-
how to, you will give an idea how to place it and all
Yes.
that because the ones who do not have any knowledge about how to place it. First time, like
Yes.
me, if I come and ask how to place this and what is the idea and all that, so you give an idea.
And also that we come up with new ranges, new products, and
Mm-hmm.
new designs. So we try to coordinate, and it's easier for the
So
customer.
you're catching
to
up with the market,
visualize.
you mean? That
Yes,
means.
absolutely.
Yeah. You're just keeping up to the pace of the people and the idea and the outlook and all that.
Yes,
So that you are always in tune with the market. Right?
totally updated.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much and have all the best and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.